Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattas sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaah. Om. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the cause of entire universe. Everything comes out of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the source of everything. Realize this fact and realize that Sri Krishna Paramatma is the embodiment of all the divine attributes, and cultivate an exclusive loving devotion to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking every one of you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall realize that you are the source of everything and everything emerges in you. O Sri Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall cultivate an exclusive loving devotion towards you. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall realize that you are the embodiment of all the divine attributes, Kalyana Gunas. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 118th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when all the Gopikas came to Yasoda and complained about Krishna, then Yasoda Devi did not believe in that and sent all the Gopikas back. After that, this Krishna, naughty Krishna, while acting as if nothing he has done as if he is a very good boy and as if nothing has happened. And he is sitting in the lap of Yasoda Devi while putting his head on the chest of Yasoda Devi. He is playing. Like that, days were passing. And one day, Ekada Kridamanaste Ramadhya Gopadarakaha Krishnamrudam Bhakshitavaniti Matre Nyavedayan. One of those days, Balarama and Krishna along with other Gopalas were playing in the streets. At that time, some of the Gopalas came to Yasoda Devi and complained, saying that, "Oh, my dear mother, your son Krishna is eating mud, eating sand." Like that they said. Immediately Yasoda Devi went and lifted Krishna and asking, "Why Krishna, why are you eating mud? Mannetiki bhakshinchadu, మన్నియమములేల నీవు మన్నింపవు మీ అన్నయు సఖులును చెప్పెదరన్నా మన్నేల మరి పదార్థములేదే." Why are you eating mud? Whatever that I said not to do, you are doing all those things. Why, Krishna? Don't move your head like that. Yes, Balarama and all other your friends told me that you already ate mud. So don't you find anything other than mud in our home? Why are you eating mud? Like that Yasoda Devi warning Krishna. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. ಮುಕುಂದಮಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣೋ ರಕ್ಷತು ನೋ ಜಗತ್ರಯ ಗುರುಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಯಹಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣೇನಾಮರಶತ್ರವೋ ವಿನಿಹತಾಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ತಸ್ಮೈ ನಮಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾದೇವ ಸಮುತ್ಥಿತಂ ಜಗದಿದಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣಸ್ಯ ದಾಸೋಸ್ಮ್ಯಹಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣೇ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಮೇತದಖಿಲಂ ಹೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಂರಕ್ಷ ಮಾಂ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ 10th chapter 8th ಶ್ಲೋಕ. ಅಹಂ ಸರ್ವಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭವಃ ಮತ್ತಃ ಸರ್ವಂ ಪ್ರವರ್ತತೆ ಇತಿ ಮತ್ವಾ ಭಜಂತೆ ಮಾಂ ಬುಧಾ ಭಾವಸಮನ್ವಿತಾಃ. ಅಹಂ ಸರ್ವಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭವಃ ಮತ್ತಃ ಸರ್ವಂ ಪ್ರವರ್ತತೆ ಇತಿ ಮತ್ವಾ ಭಜಂತೆ ಮಾಂ ಬುಧಾ ಭಾವಸಮನ್ವಿತಾಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ ಕರಿಷ್ಯೇ ವಚನಂ ತವ. ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ.